Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA continues to be in this sideways range, still hovering below resistance and above support. So is it possible that this C wave in wave 2 is already over? For sure, that's possible. It might even be another 1-2 setup if it breaks down, but that's just, really in the details. At the moment, what really matters is if the price can manage to break above resistance or below support, because for the last few weeks, it's really actually the last few months. I mean, since August, it's only been moving in a range. I mean, there's nothing impulsive here. It is simply a sideways range. We're pretty much now where we were on the 10th of August, yeah. And this just, with a little bit up, a little bit down, but there is nothing clearly bullish or impulsive here on this chart. We could even try to put a trend channel on here, like a parallel, 1 second. Just need to pick the right tool. So we could just try to, based on those highs that formed. Obviously I didn't grab so, maybe even something like that where we then get this kind of channel here. You can see, however, that the price got rejected at the center line here a couple of times now, okay? And we're in the lower half of that channel, so there's nothing bullish. We're even in the channel, let's say in the bearish region at the moment. And a break to the downside of that parallel trend channel could indicate some more bearishness and that we're actually breaking down. Even though from an Elliott wave point of view, the Fibonacci levels here around 32.5 to 34.2 cents, they will warn us a little bit earlier, because this is the support region that needs to hold pretty much to keep the yellow scenario, which is bullish, alive. So any break below 32.5 cents, while it will not formally invalidate the yellow count, which is more bullish, it will make it less likely. And if we then get a break out of the lower boundary line to the downside and a break below the red line, which is the formal invalidation point for the yellow scenario, which is at 30.4 cents, well, that would obviously more clearly be bearish, right? So yeah, we're just in a range. We're waiting for signals. I will take the price channel off. We can bring it on in the videos, but I think it just sort of messes the chart up a little bit. Important is that we had some key resistance levels above. Well, the 38.2 retracement was nearly reached again, but it was already reached on the 7th of October. We talked about this potentially as a flat correction, okay, where the wave C might finish close to the A wave top. It might have topped now. I mean, we will have to see. First indication that this wave C of 2, which is just part of that corrective rally in a move to the downside, the first indication that this has actually topped, will be a break below that internal B wave low that formed on the 10th of October. At 33 cents. So that's pretty much it. And if we, however, can hold that low, then it would at least give the yellow count a chance. But I wouldn't say that I wouldn't say that the bulls are in control and drive the price higher until we get a kind of a signal. And one such signal would be a break above the resistance area, which ends at 39.7 cents. So we have a couple of or a few Fibonacci resistance levels here at 37.2 cents, 38.2 and 39.7. We haven't even reached like the first ones. Okay, so yeah, indicates weakness. Nothing clearly bullish there, just a range. And we have to have some patience. Unfortunately, as long as we're in the range, everything that moves here like up and down, until we break at least the first support level, or at least the first swing low and break above resistance, there isn't really anything new here to report. I will still let you know if things change, obviously, that's why we're covering it, but there's no need to make the video longer if really nothing changed for the last few weeks, unfortunately. So we have to have a bit of patience, but we know that, ADA often tests our patience. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.